Hi, I'm Jimmy Antonelli, and I'm an industrial design major.
My name is William Avis. I'm a fourth-year industrial design major.
My name is Laba Tzajak, and I'm a third-year industrial design major.
My name is Emma Canny. I'm a second-year interior design student.
Hi, I'm Robert Flegel. I'm a second-year industrial designer.
My name is Logan Fugel, and I'm a fourth-year interior design student.
I'm Hannah Giancola, and I'm a fourth-year industrial design student.
My name is Kayla Lanos. I'm a second year in industrial design.
My name is Caroline Pedrati. I'm a third-year interior design student.
I'm Thomas Richter, a sophomore. My major is interior design.
My name is Raquel Rojas. I am a second-year interior design student.
I'm Mary Golden. I'm the program chair for interior design at RIT and the director for Hope for Honduras.
My name is Will Tracy. I am an instructor and an instructional support specialist for the College of Art and Design.
I chose industrial design because of the way that it provided me with a way to creatively problem solve and combine my passion for art and beautiful things with very practical, real-world problems.
I chose to study industrial design because I felt like it was a creative avenue to design things to help people.
I actually kind of fell into interior design when I was looking to switch majors. I spoke to one of our faculty members, and when they were explaining the program to me, they explained interior design as the psychology of space and how people interact with the interior environment. I thought that was really interesting because that's definitely not what I initially thought of when I thought of interior design. So it sparked my interest.
I chose interior design because at a young age I always wanted to be an architect, and I thought that starting off in this major and learning more about the interior of the space and how it functions and then working my way out would be a better choice for me.
I thought it would be an interesting experience building furniture to help people in their daily lives and through things that they interact with.
I chose to join ICFF because it's a new challenge and a great experience that not a lot of people can say they've done. And I went to New York Design Week last year, and it was definitely a goal of mine to be there and participate.
I saw it had universal design issues, and I've worked on a couple other projects that focus on universal design. This was one that really interested me and was recommended to me, so I figured I'd follow through with it.
I wanted to be in part of a project that creates something outside of courses. I just wanted to be part of something bigger.
I really like the process side of it and how people do things every single day but they struggle, and how taking off certain things that can cause them problems can save them a lot of time.
A design issue that I'm passionate about with this project is trying to make our product ADA accessible. Accessibility is something that I usually prioritize with a lot of the projects that I do, but I've never had the chance to put that into a kitchen setting, and so being able to do that with this project is a new and challenging way to think about the kitchen space and how people interact within it.
I'm interested in creating a sense of community, whether that's for people that are fully able or not, and how we can kind of close that gap.
I'm interested in the modularity of a kitchen environment and the interaction between two kitchen components.
Well, it's pretty interesting how well design thinking correlates between different majors. The design process is slightly different, but if everybody is taking this similar design thinking approach, it ends up being pretty easy to work with within people's different majors and work towards a same goal.
Working with the industrial designers, they definitely think about the product and how things are put together and just their function. For in the past semester when it was just interior design, we definitely just thought about space and how things looked, but they really think about the functionality and how they're going to be manufactured, which has really turned our project to like 180 degrees. It's completely different.
Being my first time working with industrial design students, I noticed how technical they are with just everything that takes place into this design. So that's something that I've learned, that I've taken now into consideration with my own other projects.
Well, I'm really looking forward to spending time in New York at the ICFF. I'm interested in presenting my work on a more professional level and kind of that grander scale in New York City. I think that'll help me kind of grow as a designer and really feel more confident about my work.
I think this project has been really great to inspire me to want to work on service projects and focus on how I can help people with my design knowledge, and also how to work with a collaborative team of people with all different ideas and backgrounds.
I think this project will help a lot in the future with working in a team and working with other people's ideas and working to make them real.
It's going to be my first time, so I am just excited to see what other problems are being tackled. I think that people come with ideas and I'm like, wow, I didn't even think that was an issue, but then you see their solution and you're like, wow, like that is such a innovative way to think, and I'm just excited to see what problems other people are tackling.
At ICFF, I'm really looking forward to seeing our product in booth setup in a professional setting, but I'm also really looking forward to seeing the rest of the student showcase so that I can talk to other students and other professionals and seeing what kind of design considerations that they took into consideration when they were designing their product for the showcase.
At the showing at ICFF, I'm really looking forward to the whole environment and showing off what we have accomplished, which I think is going in a really good direction.
I'm really looking forward to going to ICFF and meeting different designers, listening to them speak and learning about their ideas, creating connections and networking through our industry. I think that's a really great opportunity for me.